guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you all can see by the title, I'm going to be sharing with you basically what a wash day looks like for me. So my pin straight hair routine. We're going to be starting all the way from the beginning. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you exactly the products that I enjoy using to get this really beautiful pin straight hair. And for today's video specifically, I'm going to be sharing with you all my favorite products from OLAPLEX. I'm actually working with OLAPLEX to bring you guys this video today. So thank you so much to OLAPLEX for working with me and sponsoring today's video. I am so excited to share with you these products because the hair that you guys are looking at, majority of this is my own hair. I have not dyed my hair in about 3 years, I think it is now. It's been about 3 years now, and you guys will see when I show you the back of my hair and you kind of see the ends of my hair, there is still color in my hair. That color is not fresh color, it's just color that is growing out from the times when I actually had lighter hair. So I actually put a picture up right here so you guys can see when I was at my lightest. When I tell you I was light, like my hair was super light, and of course with my hair color being this light, that automatically tells you like damage. Like no matter what, you're gonna have at least a little bit of damage because you are bleaching your hair. And honestly, I was using OLAPLEX products. I personally really enjoy their products. I feel like they really saved my hair. They really did strengthen my hair and just replenished my hair from the inside out. And this is what my hair looks like today, and this is kind of like the routine that I like to do once a week. So not only is it keeping my hair healthy, but it's more manageable, it's super shiny, and I do still use a lot of heat on my hair. So I'm just putting that out there. I personally blow dry my hair and then I flat iron it to get this really beautiful pin straight hair. However, it does last me an entire week, and sometimes I go more than a week without washing my hair. So I don't wash my hair too often, so when I do, it's usually a really good deep clean. So I'm super excited to share with you guys all the products that are must-haves for me from OLAPLEX. If you guys are interested in trying any of their products, I do have a discount code for you guys. Everything's going to be down below in the description box. I will leave the link as well so you guys can check them out. So before we go ahead and jump into today's video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go if you enjoy beauty content. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see how I get this really beautiful pin straight shiny hair featuring my favorite products from OLAPLEX, then just keep on watching. My hair ready for a new week. So I'm starting off with the OLAPLEX Intensive Bond Building Treatment. It primes, strengthens, and repairs your hair all at the same time. I'm using this product to actually get my hair damp, so that way when I go in with the number 3 hair perfector, you have to use this product on damp hair. And when you use this 2-part system, that is what is proven. It's scientifically proven, y'all, okay? After one use, my hair felt amazing and I've never looked back. I like to leave this on for a minimum of 10 minutes. You can leave it on longer, but the minimum is 10 minutes. So now it's time to wash my hair. I'm going in with the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. This shampoo is highly nourishing, it's reparative, and it relinks broken bonds. Now, you're probably like, what does that mean? Well, when it does this, it's actually going to repair your hair from everyday stresses such as damaged hair, split ends, frizz, and it's also color safe, which is amazing. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, I like to wash my hair once a week, so I always like to go in with a clarifying shampoo. This is going to remove buildup. When you remove the buildup from your hair, you're going to get all of these benefits. Now, with the removal of the buildup, I like to give me some extra hydration, so I like to go in with this reparative mask. Love the texture. I apply that to my hair, and this is just a little bit of information from their website. And now we can move on to styling. So I'm gonna go in with their Nourishing Hair Serum. Their bonding oil increases shine, repairs damage, and minimize flyaways is one of my favorite products. So I like to let my hair dry to about 90%. So while I do that, I go ahead and do my glam for the day. Today I was doing something simple, and now it's time to finish with the hair. So this product right here is one of my go-tos. This is the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I know this is a bit controversial, but I cannot do my hair without this. And to be honest with you, my hair is 90% dry, so I do this in literally 20 minutes. This is going to give me that really nice straight hair, so that way when I go in with my flat iron, I don't have to flat iron my hair too long or go over multiple times on on that one piece of hair. So I'd like to think that it's keeping my hair a little healthy, but I cannot do my hair without this brush. It is so good. So now I'm going to share with you my gem, which is my flat iron. This flat iron is the best in the game. This is my baby. It's my holy grail, so please don't sell it out. So this has a 50-minute automatic shut off, and it vibrates, and it also shows your temperature on an LED display. Now you're like, girl, it vibrates? Yes, honey. Cue the vibration, please. You're probably like, girl, what's the point of your flat iron vibrating? Well, it actually shuffles your hair as it's passing through the hair, so it's ensuring that the heat is being evenly distributed along every single strand of hair. You are going to get the most pin straight hair ever. So I go ahead and do that. I keep parting my hair, flat ironing my hair. I also recommend that you take smaller sections so you're really able to get everything really nice and flat. Once I'm pretty happy with the way that my hair is looking and everything looks really nice and sleek, you guys can see the shine coming through from the detox shampoo, the hair mask, like everything together just makes this process really, really easy and keeps my hair healthy. So once I'm done with the flat iron, I like to go back in with the bonding oil just to add some of that oil. Like I said, it helps with frizz and flyaways. And that is my completed hair routine for pin straight hair. She's giving shine, sleek, and manageable. I'm absolutely obsessed with these products. Thank you so much again to OLAPLEX for sponsoring today's video. They gave me an amazing deal where you can get their bonding treatment and their #3 hair perfector as a gift with purchase when you spend a certain amount on the website. All the details will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.